Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Pandya from IIT Dharwad. I welcome everyone for this 6 days program, which we call professional skills and personality development program. Professional skills and personality development program. The basic motivation behind this program is to provide the content and the training to the people, those who are looking to prepare for the jobs, or maybe the students, those who are looking to assess their skills and train themselves and make themselves ready for the job market. Throughout the session, we have structured, throughout this entire program, we have structured 6 or 7 sessions. Firstly, we'll begin with the skill gap analysis and the career planning. Firstly, we'll begin with the skill gap analysis and career planning, right? That would be the first session. Then we'll move towards the personality and attitude development, which is required for the job hunting or attending the successful, finding a job successfully through the interviews. After that, the third session would be focused on self-esteem and motivation, because that would be the driving factor where everybody would be, this is kind of a hidden gem which we need to attend to any kind of job. Subsequently, the other materials, such as, let's say, which are essential, called communication skills and body language, not only during the interview, even after deploying after, let's say, we have joined the job, those kind of skills are essential. That's why we will focus on that one also, and we'll cover how to communicate and what should be the body language. Subsequently, when we proceed further and reach to the higher role, we need the leadership skills, and going forward, we may face the crunch of time. To overcome that, we need the time management skills also. So we'll cover that into the 5th session, or maybe we'll club up with something else. Then for the students, resume writing or resume building is essential for career objective building, right? So we'll take a look how to build the entire resume. Definitely, we can take the help of the AI tools as an assistant to build the resume. We'll also take a look at the group discussion, right? What kind of, how to attend to a group discussion and how to crack it successfully. Then we'll also look into some sort of interview techniques, right? How to crack there and how to train ourselves for the interview so that the probability of getting a success would be increased. And in the last session, we'll cover the corporate culture and the workspace etiquettes, right? What would be the corporate culture and how we train ourselves for it, and what kind of protocols that we have to follow. So all in all, this is the outline of the entire program. Which will cover throughout the program, right? So that's the end of the outline.